Do you want to learn how to create engaging surveys or assessments for your students? Well, you have come to the right place. Hi, my name is Tori Ashley, and we are going to learn how to create a survey using Google Forms. Let's get to work. I am going to show you a great way on how to create fun surveys for your students. By watching this step-by-step video, you will learn how to create surveys that you can use for your students at the beginning of the year or before starting a new unit to see what they know. The very first thing you want to do is go to your Drive on Google, click on the New button on the top left. You're going to scroll down to the option More, and you'll click on Google Forms. It has the purple icon to the left, and then you'll click on this arrow and it gives you the option of a blank form or from a template. In my case, I wanted to choose from a Google Forms template. Once you click on that, it will take you to this page, which is the template gallery. You'll scroll down to education, because that's what I'm doing, is I'm creating a survey for my students. You can choose blank quiz, exit ticket, assessment, worksheet, or course evaluation. It's really your personal preference, and I chose the assessment template because I liked this one. Once you click on it, it'll bring you to this page, and the very first thing that you'll want to do is create a title. All you have to do is click on it and start typing. So I'm going to click Student Survey. Below, I added a little description of the purpose of the survey and a little bit about myself, but then again, this is your personal preference and you can add anything you want below. To the right, you have a sidebar, and it gives you some options such as add a question, add title and description. You can add an image, add a video, or even a new section. All I had to do for these was click add question. And if you don't want this, you can also delete it. So what I did, my first question that I wanted to know was the student's name. So all I did was click and then typed name. The great thing about Google Forms is it gives you options onto how you want students to answer. They can answer with a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop down. And in this case, for their name, I did short answer. And then you can also click on the answer key, and you can add a correct answer or edit question. But in this case, all answers will be right because it's their name. This is another example. I did, what is your favorite color? And I also made this a short answer. Here's an example of a multiple choice question. Do you have any siblings? And I gave the students an option of yes or no. If you wanted to add more answer choices, you would click right here where it says add another. And then you could go ahead and start typing right there. And then you can even delete it. And once again, how you make this different than short answer is you would scroll down to multiple choice. You can also go to the answer key. It says choose correct answers. Do you have any siblings? Either yes or no, and I chose that they would both be correct. You can change how many points the questions will be. In this case, I'm just going to do 1 point. Next, the cool thing about it is you can see student responses, and that's all right here at the top. If you wanted to preview what it would look like, you would just click on this eye. And in my case, you've already responded. So what you would do is you would just click on that, and students have the option to go ahead and fill it out and then submit it. In my citations, before this video is over, we used the Google Forms template, and then because this was not any of my work, remember at the template gallery I clicked on the assessment template, And then back here, we also buy this recording system, which is awesome. I use the Screencast-O-Matic screen recorder. So I hope you guys really enjoy how to use Google Forms.